Literature is writing on any subject. It could be even your textbook for science class would also be a text of literature. You would maybe say this is literature on biology. Any type of story is also literature. Any book that you read, any movie that you've seen is made out of literature because it had to be written in a screenplay before it was produced as a movie. There are two subcategories of literature: nonfiction, which is anything that is a true story or true information, like a dictionary, a newspaper, a textbook. Fiction is any story that's made up by the author, like the Minions. Any video game that you would play would also be fiction. Fiction is divided up into genres. The word genre comes from the French word, which is also pronounced genre, with a soft G or J sound, genre. And it just means a type of something. In French, they use it to talk about anything. But in English, we use the word genre to talk about types of literature. So if we're talking specifically about fiction, what are the genres in fiction? One genre that we have is mystery, when the characters are trying to solve any mystery. Another type of fiction, or genre of fiction, is fantasy. This would be very fantastical tales, things that we definitely would not see in normal everyday life, like dragons, crazy looking castles like this. Science fiction is any exploration of scientific topics, like going off into space, different planets, things like that, robots that are more advanced than we have now. Another genre of fiction is romance. This is when the story focuses on the relationship between two people. The last genre of fiction we'll study today is realistic or historical fiction. This is a type of fiction that seems like it could happen. It has realistic topics, realistic actions that the characters take, but it is fiction. It is a made-up story.